Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how we can generate license keys for software using Stripe Checkout. Now, today we're going to explore the app called Keystore, and you can see if you go to the website under keystore.app that they give you a quick summary of how you can do that. It's pretty basic, and they also have free, pro, and premium plans. Now, the good thing about this application is that you can generate license keys for subscriptions and for one-time payments. And it just seamlessly integrates with Stripe. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get started here. We already have an account, so we'll log in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete this account here. And we'll create a new account and we'll call that test. And what we need to do is we need to generate a Stripe API key, and there's instructions on how to do that. What you need to do is you need to go to Stripe, create a restricted key, and just add read access to products, checkout sessions, subscriptions, and write access to webhook endpoints. And then as soon as you generate that key, you copy it. Here I already have it created, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the application. And what's going to happen is as soon as, whoop, that's not it. So we'll just go ahead and reveal this, copy that, and we'll add it here. We'll create an account. And you'll see here there's nothing here, but what's happening in the background is all of the products purchased and subscriptions are being synced. So if we go ahead and reload that, we see all of the test subscriptions and purchases that have been made. No license keys because it only works when an active purchase is being made. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and look at some products here. Now, the good thing about Keystore app is if you add details to the metadata of a particular product. So let's see, take a look at this product. And we can go ahead and edit this and add some metadata here. Let's see, let's say a quota of, I don't know, emails, and we'll say 100. And we'll just go ahead and update that. Now we'll go to one of the payment links for this product here. So I believe it's this one here. We'll go ahead and make a purchase. So we'll call this, we'll add some fake data here. We'll go 1, 2, 3, David. Change this to the United States, add a zip code. And then we'll go ahead and pay. And what's going to happen here is you're going to be redirected to a page here. You want to add a custom message saying that they're going to be sent an email regarding their license information. And if we go over here, we'll see that we have a new license that was emailed to the customer from Keystore app. And it gets the name of the person when they checked out, and it sends them a license key that you can then use to activate your customers' licenses. And it just gives you all the little details here as well. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back here, and there's details and documentation on how you can do that. So in your application, all you need to do is point to this endpoint with the account ID that you have for this account, which is this over here. And let's actually reload this, and you can see that a license was generated here and nothing has been activated. So then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and, rather than validate, we'll go ahead and activate the license. So in order to activate the license, we just get this URL here, and we'll get a JSON response here. And what we'll do is we'll get this account ID over here, add it to this variable here in the URL, and then we'll add our license key over here in the end. Let's see what we get. So what we also need to do is we need to add the parameter of an email to activate the license. And so I use david@books.com, so we'll do that. And it says the license is invalid. Why? No activations have been made. Let's go back to the documentation. see what it says. Activate a license. License key required. License. My mistake. You're supposed to use an ampersand here. There we go. So what you get in response is the details related to the license. And so assuming that the license was invalid, then you would just get an invalid response and you can handle that response accordingly. And over here, you have the price metadata, which is also provided. So assuming that you're testing multiple prices, you can issue licenses with the appropriate quotas related to the price that the individual made a purchase on. So a little bit of flexibility, which is really nice. And it's just nice because it integrates with Stripe seamlessly, and you could get up and running in a few minutes, essentially. So if we go here, we go to accounts, we look at the test, and we look at activations. We could see that this user was activated. If we look at licenses, that license was activated and their email is populated over here. And also you have a summary view over here and with the recent purchase that's made over here. And you can see that the expiration is set to 2044, which is 20 years from now. So that's essentially a lifetime license for a purchase. And if you saw a subscription here, the expiration would coincide with whatever subscription cycle that you had there. So there you have it. Easy way to generate licenses through Stripe checkout.